Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question that a lot of you have been asking me recently. How long does it take for Venmo to cash a check? Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about why you might want to use Venmo to cash a check. There are a few reasons. Convenience. Venmo is a mobile app, so you can cash a check from anywhere at any time. Speed. In most cases, Venmo will cash your check within minutes. Low fees. Venmo charges a small fee to cash a check, but it's often cheaper than other options like going to the bank. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How long does it actually take for Venmo to cash a check? The answer is, it depends. There are a few factors that can affect the processing time, including the type of check. Personal checks and business checks are processed at different speeds. The amount of the check. Larger checks may take longer to process. Your verification status. If you haven't verified your identity with Venmo, your check may take longer to process. In general, Venmo says that it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to review a check for approval. If your check is approved, the money will be transferred to your Venmo account within minutes. However, in some cases, it can take up to 1.5 hours for your check to be approved. Here are some tips for getting your check cashed as quickly as possible. Verify your identity with Venmo. This will help speed up the process. Make sure your check is legible. If the check is difficult to read, it may take longer to process. Use the Venmo app to cash your check. This is the fastest way to get your check cashed. So, how long does it take for Venmo to cash a check? The answer is, it depends. But in most cases, it should be pretty quick and easy. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks about Venmo and other financial topics. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.